Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert double bracket symbol in Google Sheet. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheet document. In this video, I will show that insert double bracket symbol. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then select from the drawing option. Now click for the shape option, then click for education option. Now choose from a double bracket. Now for click, then create a double bracket. Now going to the border date option. Now click for a 8px. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then issue insert double bracket symbol in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.